In this video, we're going to do a quick worked example of a question on conditional probability. We're told Sam has a box of chocolates. There are 3 mint and 4 toffee flavour chocolates in the box. What is the probability she chooses 2 of the same flavour if she picks 2 chocolates at random? To answer this question, I'm going to use a tree diagram. You certainly don't have to, but it might help you out. So this is going to be pick 1, and then we've got pick 2. This is an example of non-replacement, which is conditional probability. So what we're going to have then on pick 1 is the choice of mint and toffee. We can see there are 3 mint and 4 toffee. That means there are 7 chocolates in total to begin with. So this is pick 1 and this is going to be pick 2. So let's now put mint here, let's put toffee here. So the probability of choosing a mint on the first pick is 3 of 7. The probability of a toffee is 4 of 7. These branches will always add up to 1. If we consider now on the second pick, we can have mint, toffee, mint, toffee. Now, if we picked a mint the first time, there are only 2 mints left and a total of 6 chocolates. So we can see that the denominator decreases by 1. If we were picking again, we would have now 1 out of 5. So there's 1 mint left out of the 5 possible chocolates in the box. Therefore, now this has got to be 4 over 6. There are still now 4 toffees in out of a total of 6 chocolates. If we had a toffee on the first go, we've still got 3 mints in there out of 6. Now if you want, you could simplify that to 1/2. If we consider the toffees, if I had a toffee on the first one, there are only 3 toffees out of 6. And again, we can see that these branches equal up to 1. The scenario that we're interested in now is when she chooses 2 of the same. We could either have a mint and a mint, or we could have a toffee and a toffee. When we use the word and, we need to use the multiplication law, and when we use the word or, we need to use the addition law. So if I look at the scenarios or outcomes are going to be the following: mint and mint, or now toffee and toffee. So if we have mint and mint, all we need to do is follow now the branches. So it's going to be 3 over 7 multiplied by 2 over 6. If we think about toffee and toffee, the first one is 4 over 7 multiplied by 3 over 6. The more of these we try and do, the harder it becomes. So if I wanted on a third pick another mint, I'd be multiplying that by 1 over 5. So the probability is decreasing. So let's go ahead and work this out. Now I can see that I've got 6 over 7 times by 6, which is going to cancel off. And that's just going to give me 1 over 7. If we look here, I've got 12 over 6, which is going to give me 2. 2 over 7, we end up with 2 over 7. So we first use the multiplication law. We're saying it's mint and mint, so we multiply. Or toffee and toffee, so we multiply. All we need to do now is add them together, and that satisfies this law right here. So we got 1 over 7 plus 2 over 7, which is 3 over 7. So the probability that she picks 2 of the same flavour at random now is 3 over 7.